So what is up, guys? My name's Nico. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, so you guys can tell, I'm in a different location. I'm currently at Buffalo, New York. So I wanted to go outside, enjoy the weather, so I decided to just record this brand new video for you guys. So for this brand new video, I decided to make a list for you guys. Simple but effective color combination that you guys could use for your fits. So if you're tired of always wearing all black or a lot of these basic colors, I made this list to show you guys and give you guys some more color combination that you guys could start using for your fits. So this is pretty simple combination, so a lot of you guys might already know a lot of this color combos. So if you want more an advanced color combination in the future, let me know down below so I can start working on that soon. But with that being said, let me show you guys the color combinations. Alright guys, so number one on the list is going to be the combination cream on cream. So this is a pretty basic color combination that you guys could start using. So if you like a high fashion, high-end look, I think this colors would look really good. It's really smooth, it's not too loud, it sits between a bright fit and a darker fit. So if you just want to go neutral, I suggest going for this combination. For using this colors, I suggest going for like a loose or oversized fits from you guys, as you guys can see from the photo that I'm showing you guys, like a sweater or a loose sweater and some loose pants. I think it looks really well with the combination. And also the cream on cream is a perfect combination for the fall and winter, so it's a great time to just bust out that cream colors from your wardrobe. I've seen a lot of people using cream on cream for the season. It's such a great color combination. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. So the next color combination I'm going to be telling you guys is going to be beige / brown and black. So this combination, so if you're a little tired of going all black and just want to add somewhat of a color, I suggest going for this combination just because beige and brown aren't too loud. It just sits right with black. It's a great combination. It's really minimal colors, so if you just want to go just simple, like I said, this is a great combination. It's also great for the season. The fall and winter season, everybody tends to wear more warmer color, darker color to just match the weather, I guess. If you're gonna go for this color combination, it's really versatile. You can either go beige and brown pants or black top, or vice versa. I think it just matches really good just because beige and brown sits really well with black. And also if you're going for a high-end look, I think this is a great combo as well if you're using the right piece. So the next color combo I'm going to tell you guys is simple, but like I said, it's pretty effective if you use correctly. And this one is a little specific. I'm going to be a little specific with this color combination. So it's going to be white and blue. So for this color combination, I would go for white top and blue bottoms. So bottoms, you can either go denim jeans, like a vintage denim jeans would look really good, so you guys can see from the picture. It's a really simple color combination, like I said, but it's pretty effective if you use with right pieces. So for this, if you're wearing the white top and the blue denim, I prefer a oversized or just a large fit to it, just because it really gives that nice vintage look. So if you guys are a fan of the vintage look, I think this color combination is perfect. You can either go with like a vintage white tee with like a more vintage Levi's denim jeans. I think it sits really well with each other. And if you're a fan of spring and summer, you like dressing up a lot that specific season, I think this combination would look really good. Like I said, if you love the vintage look, I think this color combination with the right pieces can execute that look correctly. Guys, so the last and final color combination I'm going to be telling you guys in this video, I feel like it's more for people that really knows how to use colors or just knows how to dress, and that is orange and brown. So this color combination, I think, is a very underrated combo just because I don't see this a lot, and I think more people should really know about this color combination and start using it. It's perfect for this fall and winter season as well. This is where I start seeing this combo, and like I said, I only see this color combination for people that really knows how to dress or really knows how to use color combinations. So if you want to show off your style and show people that you know how to use colors. This color combo would look really good and really would show off your style. So if you use this color combo with right pieces, I think you can really make a great outfit, to be honest. Orange sits really well with brown, vice versa. You can go with orange top and brown bottoms, which is more preferable. You can do the other way around and show everybody that you can dress. This color combination is just beautiful in my opinion. And alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys do find something in this list, give it a like, comment, subscribe down below. I'm cold, I'm freezing, I'm ready to go home. But with that being said, hope you guys are having a great day and I will see you guys later.